So welcome back guys, today we are going to create a rainfall animation in flipaclip, and this is the animation that we are going to create. To start animating rain, we need to draw the background for the animation first. So I have already created a sketch for the background. Now that I have already drawn the sketch for the background, to really draw the background, I will separate the layers into different parts. I will be drawing my background into 4 different layers. After separating the layers for the different parts of the background, I will drop the opacity of the sketch layer and start drawing the background in the foreground layer. In the foreground layer, I will draw the objects that are in the very front. I have kept my sketch layer as a reference for drawing all this. I will now quickly draw the foreground objects, then we will move to the middle ground. We have already drawn the objects that were in the foreground layer, and now we will move to the middle ground. For drawing in the middle ground layer, I will at first start by hiding the foreground layer. I will now start drawing the objects in the middle ground layer. There are a lot of objects to draw in the middle ground layer, so I will just go fast and draw all of them. We have already drawn the objects of the middle ground as well, so now we will move to the background. We will draw some trees and twigs in the background as well. The line work for our foreground, middle ground and background is complete, and now we will start doing the colors. We will start by coloring the objects in the foreground layer first. Now I would have to select colors for coloring the objects in the foreground layer. After coloring the foreground layer, we will start coloring the middle ground as well. I will go on selecting colors and dropping them to see which color fits. We have successfully finished coloring the foreground, middle ground and background layer, and now we will add something to the very last. At the very last layer, I will be drawing some more trees and more greenery. I am going to select colors for the trees that are going to be in the last layer. After adding some trees there, I will also add some greenery to cover that area. After doing all that, our background is complete, and now we are going to draw the tent. I have drawn the tent in its own separate layer. And now that we have completely drawn the background and the tent as well, we are ready to animate rain. To start animating rain, I will start drawing droplets falling from the sky and splashing in the ground. First of all, I will start by drawing the first few droplets. This is how a single droplet will look like. Now I will keep adding more droplets. After making the first few droplets, I will just copy and paste those layers across all the different frames. I will also animate some splashes hitting the tent. I will add some frames to show the splashes hitting and bouncing off the tent. After doing all this, our animation is complete, and we have got only 7 frames for this animation. And now we'll just copy and paste these 7 frames to loop this animation. I will copy and paste these frames multiple times to increase the duration of the animation. And this is the final result. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like it, and if you want to see more animation content, subscribe.